So we go again. Different manufacturer this time. Disappointing. So here's the other brown one. I've just lightly offered it up. Nothing's collapsed in here yet, which is great. Yeah, all I've got to do is move this slightly out of the way, offer in there after oiling the splines, of course. Yeah, we'll see how we get on, but so far so good. Thanks for watching. Okay, that literally took a minute. Just lined it all up, put it in. Everything rotates as it should. No decoupling, just took it out of gear. Yeah, just lightly tapped with a hammer, rubber-ended, of course, on each position of the back cup, and yeah, no collapsing. It's good.